Hello guys! Today we're gonna talk about Valentine's Day and the vocabulary of love in Español. So, let's start to it. First, we're gonna start with some basic words, some basic expressions to say I love you, like te quiero. Like we've seen in the video with the verb querer, we explained that te quiero, it can have many meanings, and one of them is to love. So, te quiero here means to love someone. Te quiero mucho, con todo mi corazón, con toda mi alma, infinito, a morir. Which means I love you a lot, with all my heart, with all my soul, infinitely, and till death. We can say te adoro. Te adoro es amar o querer a alguien con extremo. It means like I adore you. To love someone extremely, to have a strong connection with someone. And now let's try to express our feelings in Spanish with te tengo cariño, which means like I have some feelings for you. I'm feeling comfortable with you. I feel something towards you. Me vuelves loco o loca. It means like you drive me crazy, but in a good way. Whenever we say that someone drives us crazy, in English it has another meaning. It's like it's bothering us. But in Spanish it means that like I'm so crazy for you in that way. Me gustas, me encantas, and well, in other videos we're gonna know more about these two verbs and how to use them. But for now, you can just say me gustas if you want to say to someone that I like you, and me encantas if you want to say that I love you, but in an aspect that you love everything about him. To miss someone, well, some people on Valentine's Day are together or are separated due to distance, to work or something. So you can say, te echo de menos, I miss you. Me haces falta. Hacer falta means like this person is not here. Like your absence is making me sad. Me haces falta. I need you. Te necesito, which means also I need you. And well, some people would like to say they, love, honey. These words in Spanish are in English are nicknames to lovers. Let's see their counterparts in Spanish. Mi amor, mi vida, mi corazón, mi cielo, which means my love, my life, my heart, my sky. Cariño, churri, gordi, bebé. Bebé it's like baby. Gordi is like, it comes from gordo, which is a bit fat, but it's like my fatty person, my pillow, something like that. Churri, cariño, like honey, baby, love. Let's now start with el español coloquial relacionado con el amor. Well, the first one is hacerle o ponerle ojitos a alguien, which means to flirt with someone using your eyes, eye contact. It's like you're looking at him this way, or you're trying to flirt with him without approaching him. Por ejemplo, el otro día Juan le hice ojitos a María en la disco. La segunda expresión es tirarle los tejos, trastos, caña a alguien, which means to flirt or make a move towards someone. Here we've moved past the step of just making eye contact with them, and we're going there to make a move, to try to flirt using words wherever. So, mira, Javier le está tirando los tejos a Triana. Ese es el ejemplo. Luego tenemos a ligar, ligar con alguien o ligarse a alguien. Ligar is the verb to say to flirt. Like if you want to say the verb, the formal one, it's ligar. But when we use ligar alone, it means we're talking about flirting in general, not in specific cases. Ligar con alguien, it means like two people are flirting with each other or someone's flirting with another person. But ligarse, which is ligarse a alguien, which is more natural, it means like you're specifying that the name of that person. Like, for ejemplo, hace tiempo que no ligo. Here I'm talking about a general thing, like there's been a lot of time that I'm not flirting with anyone. I'm not talking about a specific case. Me ligué a la novia de mi amigo. Here I'm specifying the girlfriend of my friend that I flirted with her. Like, I'm specifying the case. Next we have hacerle la cobra a alguien. Hacerle la cobra a alguien means when someone is trying to kiss you, to give you a kiss, but you just do this, like you try to avoid that kiss, which is like a cobra doing like that when she wants to hunt someone. So that's hacerle la cobra a alguien. Cuando Martín se acercó para darle un beso, Claudia le hizo la cobra. Madre mía. Next we have enrollarse o liarse con alguien, which means making out with someone. But here we're not specifying what they are doing. It's just like they are making out. They could be kissing, or they could be in bed together, or they could be doing anything. It's just something in general. So, Mireille se ha enrollado con este nuevo alumno. Anda, Mireille. Tiene suerte. Next we have tirarse a alguien. Tirarse a alguien, it's an expression that we use when you're, for example, in a bar or you're with your friends and suddenly someone appears and it's your type. It's definitely your type. You can go into bed with him or with her and like, wow, you're so into that person. So you say, me la tiro, me lo tiro. Wow, mira ese tío, me lo tiro. Next one is meterse mano o meterle mano a alguien. Here it falls under the category of enrollarse con alguien y ligarse con alguien. But it's like we're specifying what they're doing. They are like using their hands. They are touching each other. They are touching each other in a sexual way. Ayer vi a Natalia y Pablo metiéndose manos en la piscina. Next one is darse elote con alguien. Darse elote con alguien means to be kissing someone, which is another expression that falls under the category of enrollarse con alguien, but here they are just kissing. They still have their clothes on and they're just using their mouth. So, cuando está saliendo del edificio, me encontré a Valeria dando elote con su alumno. Es que, madre mía, es su alumno. ¿Cómo puede hacer esto? The next one is estar de rollo con alguien. When you've met someone and you're going out with him or with her many times now and you're starting to like each other, but you're not together, you're not serious together yet. It's like a dating process that isn't a relationship. So that means estar de rollo. You guys are making out, you are together, but there isn't like a status between you guys. So that's what it's called, estar de rollo. Esther está de rollo con Alicia. Hace 10 días que van a citas. La última para hoy es salir con alguien. Salir con alguien means going out with someone, but here, like, it's the process that comes after estar de rollo. Here you are going with him or with her and you two are official. So, Elliot está saliendo con Lucas. Me lo contó ayer. Well, for now, guys, I've brought you these 10 expressions talking about love. And the next video, we're going to talk about other expressions related to Valentine's Day, relationships, love in general. So keep tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ciao, guys. Hasta la próxima.